Hello, welcome to Math 160. This orientation video serves as a way to get the student started in the first few days of this class. But before I even begin, I want to make very clear this is an online course. It takes quite a bit of discipline and time management to basically get through this class successfully. So please set aside a lot of time to navigate through all the programs we'll be using and get off to a great start. Something I want to point out is that you will be taking a quiz, or your first assignment is actually going to be due very soon based off this video and based off your reading of the syllabus. So please make sure that you watch this video in its entirety along with going over the syllabus in detail before you do that first assignment. Also keep in mind that if you have any other questions beyond this video, you're welcome to email me, and I will show you how to email me momentarily. But please do not email me through Canvas. Please email me directly. I'll explain how to do that momentarily. But I want to point out a few things. Number one, we are looking at your Canvas homepage. This is where we start. And I want to direct your attention to these left-handed items here. And in particular, I want to talk about my math lab files and secure exam proctor. These are going to be very important in the success of this class. I'm sure you are interested in being successful and to navigate through the programs relatively seamlessly. As in any course, we should begin with the syllabus. The syllabus can be found here over where it says Files. Let's click that. And you can see here you can click the folder and open up this here, and it just pops up nicely. But I would recommend downloading this file, because if you download it, you can save it to your own computer and have it at any time. And a lot of your questions can be answered by this syllabus. For example, here are some things that you'll need to know. The information for the class. And keep in mind, this might be a different semester than what you are enrolled in, so do not be too concerned about that. The file will be updated, but for the purposes of this video, this syllabus will do just fine as far as showing you the various things that you'll need. So for example, at the very top, you'll notice up here, it's like all my information of how to contact me, where to get a hold of me, when to get a hold of me. You'll see that on your particular syllabus. But what will not change definitely is this email right here. And as I mentioned earlier, it's best not to contact me through Canvas. It's best to email me directly using that email address right there. My phone number is for my office, and that's not the best way to get a hold of me. I'm rarely in my office, and even when I'm in my office, I don't really have access to my voicemail at all times, but my email goes directly to my own personal smartphone. So you are welcome to email me at any time, day or night. It's the beauty of online courses. But a lot of this stuff you can kind of read through yourself. The text, for example, that's available on the website itself. You'll see that in a moment. Course description, student learning outcomes, all these things you can read at your leisure. Important dates, again, that's going to change with your syllabus, so please make sure you download your own personal copy to make sure you know the dates. And there's also class policies that you should read in order to help you understand what I expect of you in this class. Now, this syllabus is very informational, so please make sure you take some time to read it carefully and, again, ask questions as you have questions. Today I'm back to the website. Here you can see that I have all my tabs as mentioned before. Remember, the syllabus is where the files are located. What I really want to point out though is where it says My Lab. You're going to want to get registered to My Lab today as soon as possible. And also keep in mind, as you're watching this video, the class has already begun and you likely have an assignment due the first Monday of your semester. So that could be very much today. You might thought, oh, the class starts today. Oh my gosh, I have an assignment due tonight. Well, it's a fairly simple assignment, and it mainly involves you getting registered with My Lab, getting familiarized with it, and it's a very simple assignment, and you get points for it. So please get on it as soon as possible. Please get registered to My Lab. Also in My Lab, if I haven't mentioned it before, Your exams are going to be there along with calendars and things that are going to help you navigate through the class. You're going to want to get this going today. So please open this up, get going, get registered, and you'll be very happy you did the sooner you start. Now let's go ahead and look over here where it says Secure Exam Proctor. Now as you click that, you'll notice that it says up top Proctorio Chrome extension. Essentially, this is a program that is going to allow you to take exams from the comfort of your home. Instead of coming to campus, that's right, instead of actually driving to campus and taking your exam, you'll actually take it from the comfort of your home on your computer. But there is a process that you will need to follow. Number one, it's installing Google Chrome. You'll notice I'm actually using Safari if you look up top. But once you get Google Chrome installed, you'll want to use that almost exclusively if you're not using it already. And once you click on Secure Exam Proctor, you're going to go through the process of installing the Proctorio Chrome extension. And something interesting happens. Once you get it installed, let's go and click over to Google Chrome. You'll notice that the Secure Exam Proctor tab does not show up anymore. Well, do not worry about that because your exam will be taken care of through the MyLab application that you already have registered for. And you're going to know that you actually can take the test using Proctorio. If you look over to the right, you see this little symbol here. That's actually the Proctorio extension. So if that little symbol right there in the upper right hand corner is there, you know you can use Proctorio for your exams, and you'll be able to take your exams through MyLab. So do not worry about not having access through the Secure Exam Proctor on the left. It will be there as long as you installed Proctorio properly, which I'm sure you would do using the proper steps. Now I'm back over to the syllabus, and I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Please watch the next video where I detail how you work through the homework and what you can expect to see in MyLab. Very important stuff, so please look at the next video.